I have 35 images with different dimensions, but all image has the same crop ratio of 1:1. The task is saving all the images in 1200 into 1200 pixel with Photoshop Action. Here you see each image has different dimensions. Now select all the images and open it on Photoshop. To create a Photoshop action, select Window menu. Then click on Actions. Now take a new set. Rename it to 1200 pixel. Then press OK. Again, click New Action icon to create action. Then start record. Then go to Image menu and select Size. Now set the value of width 1200 pixel and height 1200 pixel. Then enter OK. Now you see the image dimension is 1200 into 1200 pixels. The second step is to export the image and save it to your desired location. Here I select the image quality maximum. Then click on Save and select the folder that you want to save the final image. Now we have created the action, and before applying the action, we have to stop recording the action. Now we see the final image dimensions are 1200 pixels into 1200 pixels. Now select the action and apply it by pressing the Play Selection button. Our final output is ready. Now we have all the image dimensions are 1200 into 1200 pixel. Now I will show you how to save actions and load actions. To save actions, click the Save Actions button and save it. To load the actions, click the Load Actions and select the action and open it. Thank you for watching this video.